Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda XL 750R, which is the predecessor to the Honda Africa Twin. It does have the twin exhaust, as you'll see at the back, which is a bit of a clue as to where its heritage comes from. Really nice condition little bike. It's had a full engine rebuild. We have the full receipts for it. You'll see the nice new seals all the way through, so the bike is pretty much new, so we're just in the break-in period for the engine. Front tyre then is in really nice nick. Front mudguard, we have a little bit of a small little bit of damage here at the front left here as you go, but the rest of it is in nice condition. Original front headlamp assembly. It's got bar end indicators, which are nice to see. Front fork seals are good on either side. Right hand side of the tank is in really nice nick. Over the top you have your fuel in, and then you have your fuel on reserve, on or off. There's the clocks, it's 50 k's on it, but like as we said, it's got a brand new engine in it. Original engine, just rebuilt. And side panel here, original rolling swing arm onto the exhaust, which is the original twin exhaust. Original indicators at the rear. And then you can see the original Honda exhaust here. You do have the exhaust shields as well, both sides. The rear tire, as well, as you can see, is in good condition. Alloys in good condition also, and the belt driven on the left hand side here. The side stand only, no main stand. And then the engine, as you can see, all redone in really good condition. A few little marks here on the left hand side panel. Only mark on the tank is here, which is very small, and you can see a little tiny scrape there. Onto the front left here, you'll see as well, all good condition with the front disc brake and so on. So that's it for the Honda XL 750R on the visual inspection. We'll now move on to the ride along video. Okay, we're away on the Honda XLV 750R, predecessor to the Africa Twin, and one I would say it's actually far nicer than them, and sounds a hell of a lot better as well. Nice pops and crackles. I am taking it fairly easy, and I would expect the new owner to take it fairly easy as well, as it is a brand new rebuild of the engine, so you know, you do have to break it in slightly, so don't be thrashing it on the motorway doing crazy sorts of maneuvers and all sorts. I do have to take it easy here with the children and all that, but yeah, running really lovely. New clutch, new everything engine wise, fluids, all that. And the bike is in really nice nick, as you've seen from the visual. Hardly a mark on her. Very collectible now, seeing as the new Africa Twins are kind of coming out, and people don't like them as much as the older ones, as they have seen. So this one to be the predecessor to the newer ones says a lot. It was kind of some may say the concept design for the Africa Twin. Sounds absolutely stunning. Well, everything working on our indicators and everything like that, as you'll see when we come to the end of the video. We do have a little van up here. Let me just slow her down slightly, because pops and crackles gets everyone very angry around here, and I do not want to crash into one of these little children. Oh, it's lovely. Really nice. Very nice little bike to drive. You could drive this every day and have no problems. Obviously motorway work, all that kind of stuff, off-road, no problems with this bike. As we crack down the gears and turn in left here to see what she looks like on the road. So let me just
pop her into neutral. I think it was in secondary actually. Yeah, it was. So there we are. Let me get the side stand down and we'll have a look at her on the road. So that's what she looks like on the road. We'll get just a little snapshot for the YouTube thumbnail and then we'll have a look around the bike itself. So indicators wise, front light and all that is working indicators, so you'll see here that's the front left, rear left, right rear, front right, working lovely. Let me just cancel that. Horn working, everything like that. We'll see the light here as well. You'll see the high beam working there as well. Let me just turn that off, as you can see here. There. Now that's what she is. Really beautiful bike. If you're to buy one, this is the one to buy. Absolutely fresh as a daisy and all original, apart from those indicators at the front. But the original indicators, if you really wanted to, could be sourced very easily and just bolt into there. You just get the wiring rerouted into that indicator very easily. 10-minute job at about maybe 10 or 15 euro cost. So that's it for the Honda XLR or XLV I think it is, XLV 750R I believe. Sounding lovely and ready to rock and ready for its new owner. So if you liked the video, please do leave it a like. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Our socials are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram. And finally, if you want to see our website, it's www.retrobikesdublin.com. Have a look there and see what you want to see what you think it fancies you on the bike front. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.